Hey y'all, Georgia Peach Cooks and Creates here, and I am here to show you a small Michaels haul. I hit up the 50% plus 20% sale that they had and got a couple of things that will do for the blank wall in my bedroom, and just a couple of other few things that I picked up here and there. One or two might be for Valentines DIY, which are coming up. Today's February 1st. So happy February, y'all. And here we go. So I found this sign. And if any of y'all haven't figured out yet, I'm a huge butterfly fan. So this kind of fits right up my alley. And I think this might be maybe the centerpiece that I'm going to build around on that wall back there. So I got that. And I also picked up, because these were like super clearance, these are removable decals. And as you can see, they've got 20 pieces. And it's got, I can show you better on the back. It's got, this is actually a wood type design. It has the same sticky back, stick-on back, the command hooks. It has the same sticky type back on these to where you can put them on the wall, take them on the wall, take them off the wall, put them on the wall, take them off the wall. So it's got that one right there. Oh, y'all can't really see it, but it's got the hearts and the birds. It's got the keys. It's got the heart, the smaller hearts here. And on the front, I'll show you. It's got that one that's like a plaque. And it's got this one. It's like a plaque too. And the gray one says, "Home is wherever we are together." And the green one says, "Do small things with great love." I need my glasses. So I got those. Picked those up. We're going to try it out. I think that's what's going to, some of those elements are what's going to surround my butterfly frame. So it's a couple of things that I also picked up in Michael's store. So this is a combination of store and online purchase. So I got these. As you can see, they're still wrapped. These are planks, and they are real wood planks by Automines. These were $6.99, and they are the 14-inch. So I got two of those. I also got, just on the random, I did find this kitty cat meow sign. That it's a decal. I should say that it is a decal. It was $4, but like I said, it was 50% off and then 20% off of that. But anyway, I think these are the 14-inch or the 12-inch, and they're just hollowed boxes. And I got two of those. So these are going to house my spring decor and Easter decor. So you'll see that. Picked up a 11 by 14. It's a shadow box. My original idea with this was to build with the Dollar Tree gift bags and to put it in the shadow box to give it more dimension, which is what I'm hoping it will do. For a DIY that I have, I've got one of these foam balls, and this is a 5-inch ball. Then I got two. Here's one. This is the 3.8 inches. There's two of these. This is all my online order. And then to get it to a point, it was $49 for free shipping. So I was like at 48 something, and I was like, seriously? So I went ahead and picked up these back to school stickers, and you can see it's got like a bus and a backpack and notebook and desk and stuff like that. So this is just a filler, but I can always use it for my daughter. She's in 4th grade, so it's gonna definitely come in handy somewhere. Okay, and this is what I went and got when I was at the store. This burlap and lace, baby pink lace ribbon. I don't know if the baby pink color is coming off or not. It looks like it right there. Then I picked up this love sign, and that's in gold. Picked up this rose garland and for my friend, for her buffet. And I'll show you what I come up with, but basically this was $11.99 on sale for, I believe it was $6.99, then turn around and had 20% off of that. So can't go wrong with that. And even if you want to later on take off the rose flowers, they are very beautiful flowers. Very full, very open. And this is the, let's see, 6-foot size. She picked out this candle, and these were on sale for like $3.33 with an additional 20% off. So that smell is freshwater pearl. It smells delicious. In the middle of her buffet and around, we're gonna swag, I guess you could say, on the very end of her buffet, that rose garland, and then this will sit in the middle. And this is basically just a wood candle holder, and she's gonna fit her candle right smack dab in the middle. So that'll be about what it looks like, and then we'll put something here, see how it goes. All right, my daughter decided she wanted to try doing patches. So she got herself a little shirt. These were on sale for $1.99. And she got a little big, it's a size large, but it's a kid's size large. This is for the tacky glue for my daughter's iron-on patch. I don't own an iron, so tacky glue to the rescue. This is the fabric tacky pack. And it comes with 3, and it says okay to wash it. And it says no sew fabric glue, which is what we'll probably be using. And then she got this little kitty cat in a donut patch for her white shirt. So we'll see how that goes. A paper pad. And this is the Conservatory 48 page paper pad. And if you ain't figured it out yet why I picked it up, I'll do a quick flip through of it. It is, whoop, wrong way. I'm going to try my hand at a square frame this time and see. I've always dealt with the circle frames, so I'm going to try a square frame and see if I can sit one of those square Dollar Tree signs that says something Easter in the middle of it and build around it. And the size on this one is a 14-inch. So I got that. And I needed some more what do they call these things? Photo cases. These were dirt cheap. They were like 70-something cents after you got them on sale. So I got, I believe, yes, I got 2 of those. One clear, one pink. Last few things. I told you my daughter was going to do a DIY on her own. And this is the DIY set that she picked. This is the Sweet Truck 3D foam Valentine. That's the end of my Michael's haul. Anyway, hope y'all enjoyed. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. I'm just getting back started, so I am trying to get all the things that I want to get collected to make these Valentine DIYs and get them up and going for you. So stay tuned, and I hope you all have a blessed day.